Okay, good morning to all. The next topic of matters assigned determinant is determinants. Okay, what is determinant? Here, the determinant is defined for only square matrices. Okay, definition of determinant. Definition of determinant. The definition is every square matrices, every square matrices associated with a unique real number, a unique real number is called determinant of a square matrix. Determinant of a square matrix. Yes. Every square matrices associated with a unique real number. What it mean? ಹಿಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ here determinant can be evaluated. ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫೈನೈಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬಹುದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫೈನೈಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನ. whereas in matrices evaluation is not possible. In matrices what we do? We can add the two matrices, we can subtract the two matrices, and we can multiply the two matrices. Evaluation is not possible. To evaluation what we do? Determinant daga evaluation anna ಮಾಡಬಹುದಪ್ಪ. Yes, every square matrix associated with a unique real number is called as a determinant of a matrix ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ. Right? How we denote here determinant of a matrix A? Determinant yes, determinant of a matrix A of a matrix A is denoted by det of A or single bar of A or sometimes delta. Okay, determinant of A is denoted by det of A or single bar of A or delta ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಪ್ಪ. and is read as ಹೆಂಗ್ ಓದ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ಓದ್ಬೇಕು. and is read as determinant of A ಅಂತ ಓದ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ. right? for example if A is a matrix, that should be square matrix only. 1 2 3 4. Then determinant of A that can be denoted as either det of A or single bar of A ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. and here ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾರ್ 1 2 3 4. single bar of 1 2 3 4 like that. Write another example. if B is a matrix 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is a 3 by 3 square matrix. Then the determinant of A ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು? Then the determinant of A is equal to single bar 1 2 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now we are going to discuss how to evaluate the determinant. That is evaluation of determinant of order 2 by 2 and evaluation of determinant of order 3 by 3 up to 3 by 3 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಇರೋದು. more than 3 by 3 is not included in our syllabus, right? Evaluation of determinant of order 2 by 2 as well as evaluation of determinant of order 3 by 3. To evaluate this determinant, what we do, we need a place sign ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತದಪ್ಪ. place sign of a determinant of order 2 by 2 and a place sign of a determinant of order 3 by 3 ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, right? place sign, place sign of determinant of order 2 by 2 as well as 3 by 3. Determinant of order 2 by 2 as well as the determinant of order 3 by 3. Right? Simple. The place sign of determinant of order 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 is given by a formula minus 1 power I plus j. Yes, the place sign of determinant of order 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 is given by a formula minus 1 power I plus j, where here I is the number of rows, total number of rows, j is the number of columns. I indicates number of rows, j indicates number of columns. Okay, with the help of this formula we will write directly place sign of 2 by 2 and place sign of 3 by 3. How? With the help of above formula, with the help of above formula, place sign is place sign is 2 by 2 के place sign हो plus minus. Yes, for 2 by 2 determinant, first element place sign is positive, second element negative in first row. Second row the first element is positive, second element is negative. Similarly for 3 by 3, plus minus. Okay, in 3 by 3 determinant we have 3 rows and 3 columns. Place signs are plus for first row, minus for second row, plus for third row. These are the place sign of 2 by 2 determinant and 3 by 3 determinant. Next we are going to discuss how to evaluate 2 by 2 determinant and 3 by 3 determinants. Okay. Write the heading: evaluation of determinant of order 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. Evaluation of determinant of order 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. Next heading is evaluation of determinant of order 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. Evaluation of determinant of order 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. For 2 by 2 very simple ಇದೆ. Let a matrix A is equal to A, B, C, D. Okay. Then determinant of A. Then determinant of A is given by ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು single bar of A. Here also square bracket remove ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು single bar A, B, C, D. Okay. Now how to evaluate this one? How to evaluate this one? Very simple. ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ principal diagonal element minus product of secondary diagonal elements. Yes, to evaluate 2 by 2 determinant, we have a formula product of principal diagonal elements minus product of secondary diagonal elements. Here already we know which one is the principal diagonal and which one is the secondary diagonal. This diagonal is principal diagonal. This diagonal is a principal diagonal. Okay, and this diagonal is secondary diagonal. Okay, now what we do here, product into multiplication, make the product of principal diagonal elements. Principal diagonal element, that is A into D minus product of secondary diagonal elements B into C. Simplify this one, A into D AD minus B into C BC. Here A, D, B, C all are constant. ಅದು multiply ಮಾಡಿ subtract ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ finally we are going to get a constant C. Finally we are going to get a unique real number. It is general problem ಇದೆ, that's why I have taken K. In problems particular numbers we will get a unique real number. Okay, this is the procedure for evaluation of determinant of order 2 by 2, right? Now we will take a general particular example for this one, evaluation of determinant of order 2 by 2 ge. Example 1, evaluate determinant 2, 3, 4, 5. Evaluate determinant of 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, how to evaluate? Solution 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Now make the product of principal diagonal elements 5 into 2 अथवा 2 into 5 principal diagonal element minus secondary diagonal element 3 into 4. Yes, 2 5s are 10, 3 4s are 12, so it is minus 2. Okay, unique real number, right? Consider another one example. Evaluate determinant of order 2 minus 1 3 6. Evaluate determinant of 2 minus 1 3 6. Okay, 2 minus 1 3 6 is equal to product of principal diagonal elements 2 into 6 minus product of secondary diagonal element minus 1 into 3. 6 into 2 12. See here, minus into minus become plus 1 into 3 3. 12 plus 3 add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 15. Okay, consider another one example. Evaluate determinant of order -1, 3, 4, 2. Right? So solution -1, 3, 4, 2. Product of principal diagonal elements -1 into 2 minus product of secondary diagonal element 3 into 4. This is equal to -2 minus 12. Both are negative, minus 14. Minus 14. Okay. Consider another one example. Consider another one example. Example number 4. Evaluate determinant of order 2, -3, -4, -5. 2, -3, -4, -5. Solution 2, -3, -4, -5. This is equal to product of principal diagonal element of 2 into -5 minus 3 into -4. Product of principal diagonal elements minus product of secondary diagonal elements. Plus into minus minus, 5 2s are 10, minus into minus plus, 3 4s are 12. Here both are negative, add ಮಾಡಿ negative sign ಅನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. -10 -12 is -22. Similarly, consider another one example. If matrix A is equal to -1, -2, -3, -4, then find determinant of A. That is determinant of A equal to question mark. Matrix is given, then find determinant of A equal to question mark. Yes, A is given. What is given here? Matrix A is given. -1, -2, -3, -4. Then determinant of A equal to square bracket ತೆಗೆದು single bar -1, -2, -3, -4. Now evaluate product of principal diagonal elements minus product of secondary diagonal elements. -1 into -4, -1 into -4, -2 into -3. Okay, minus into minus plus 4, minus into minus plus 6. 4 minus 6, it is -2. These are the simple examples on evaluation of determinant of order 2 by 2. Next we are going to discuss evaluation of determinant of order 3 by 3. Okay, is it clear? Now evaluation of determinant of order 3 by 3. Right? For that, yes, evaluation of determinant of order 3 by 3. Okay. Here evaluation of determinant of order 3 by 3, direct evaluation is not possible. To evaluate determinant of order 3 by 3 means first what we do, we have to convert 3 by 3 determinant into 2 by 2 determinant using either first row or second row or third row or first column or second column or third column. There are 6 ways are possible, but usually we are going to use first row with place sign. First row with the place sign, plus, minus, plus. Okay. For that, let us consider determinant ಅಥವಾ first ಗೆ matrix ತೋರಿ. Matrix A is equal to A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. This is a matrix, 3 by 3 matrix. Now determinant of A determinant of A is equal to single bar A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Okay. To evaluate this determinant, what we do? First, we convert 3 by 3 determinant into 2 by 2 determinant. How? Using first row. So, what are the place sign of first row? Plus, minus, plus. The place sign of first row is plus, minus, plus. Okay. How? See here. Consider first element of first row A1. Its a place sign is plus. Element sign is ಏನು ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ plus. Plus into plus is plus. A1 into 2 by 2 determinant. See here. Very important concept. Correct ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. First element A1 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 2 by 2 determinant ಅನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. How to write 2 by 2 determinant? That is very important. See here. A1 lies in first row and A1 lies in first column. By deleting first row and first column element, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ A1 lies in first row, A1 lies in first column. ಈ first column first row ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನ 4 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಉಳಿತಾವ B2, C2, B3, C3. ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಪ್ಪ. Right? How? A1 lies in first row, first column, removing element of first row and first column element, what we get? B2, C2, B3, C3. First element is completed. Okay. Second element, place sign is minus, B1 element sign is plus. Minus into plus become minus. B1 into see here B1 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? It lies in first row, second column. Yes, B1 lies in first row, second column. By removing the first row, second column element, what are the element left? A2, C2, A3, C3. That will write here. A2, C2, A3, C3. Second element is also completed. Come to third element of first row. Plus. Element sign is also plus. Plus into plus plus. Plus C1 2 by 2. Plus C1 into 2 by 2 determinant. How? C1 lies in first row, third column. C1 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆಪ್ಪ? ಮೊದಲನೇ ರೋ ಕೊನೆಯ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ರಿಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ A2, B2, A3, B3. A2, B2, A3, B3. Here what we done? We converted 3 by 3 determinant into 2 by 2 determinant. Next procedure is as usual 2 by 2 determinant ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿವಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ. How? A1 into, how to evaluate 2 by 2 determinant? Product of principal diagonal element minus product of secondary diagonal elements. That is B2C3 minus C2B3 C2B3. Okay. Similarly, minus B1 into product of principal A2C3 minus C2A3. Okay. Plus C1 into product of principal A2B3 minus B2A3. Okay. Next procedure is simplification. All are the constant numbers. Multiplication, addition, simplify ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ finally we are going to get a unique constant. Say k ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಪ್ಪ. Right? This is the procedure of evaluation of 3 by 3 determinant. This is very important. Evaluation of 3 by 3 determinant. Correct ಆಗಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇವಾಗ. ಓಕೆ, example number 1, evaluate determinant 1, 2, 3, 2 minus 4, 5 minus 3, 6, 7. Okay, determinant 1, 2, 3, 2 minus 4, 5 minus 3, 6, 7. Okay, solution. Okay, consider the determinant 1, 2, 3, 2 minus 4, 5 minus 3, 6, 7. First convert this 3 by 3 determinant into 2 by 2 determinant using first row. Place sign, plus, minus, plus. Right? First element 1 is there. Plus 1 into 2 by 2 determinant. See here, 1 lies in first row, 1 lies in first row, first column. 1 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? First row, first column. By removing first row, first column element, ಏನೇನು ಉಳಿತು? minus 4, 5, 6, 7. First element work is completed. Second element minus 2 into, again 2 by 2 determinant. How? This 2 lies in first row, second column. By removing first row, second column element, what are the element left here? 2, 5, minus 3, 7. 2, 5, minus 3, 7. Second element is also completed. Third, plus 3 into, again 2 by 2 determinant. This 3 lies in first row, third column. By removing first row, third column element, 2 minus 4 minus 3, 6. 2 minus 4 minus 3, 6. We converted 3 by 3 determinant into 2 by 2 determinant. Next is evaluation of 2 by 2 determinant work. Yes, how to evaluate? Minus into plus, product of principal diagonal element. Minus into plus, minus 7 4s are 28. Minus 6 5s are 30. Product of secondary diagonal element. Product of secondary diagonal element. Minus 2 into product of principal, 7 2s are 14. Minus 5 into minus 3, minus 15. Already one minus is there, so into minus 15 anta barkori. Okay, 7 2s are 14, minus 3 into minus 5, minus 15, plus 3 into product of principal, 6 2s are 12, minus formula minus idu, minus into minus become plus, 3 4s are 12. Product of principal diagonal element minus product of secondary diagonal elements. 1 into, see here, minus 28 minus 30, both are negative. Add ಮಾಡಿ negative sign ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Minus 28 minus 30, it is minus 58. Minus 2 into 14, minus into minus become plus 15. Plus 3 into 12 minus 12, it is 0. 12 minus 12, it is 0. Okay, this is equal to plus into minus 1 into 15 multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 58. Okay, minus 2 into ಇದನ್ನ minus 14 plus 15 ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ 29. Plus 3 into 0 become 0. 3 into 0 become 0. Minus 58 ಇದನ್ನ multiply ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, 9 2s are 18, carry 1, 2 2s are 4, 58. 29 2s are, it is also 58. ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. -58 -58 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇದು? 8 8 16, 5 5 10 1 116 -116. This is the evaluation of determinant of order 3 by 3. Consider another example. Example number 2. Evaluate determinant -2, -3, 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, -4, 0. Evaluate determinant of 3 by 3 is the solution. Consider a given determinant -2, -3, 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, -4, 0. Okay. Write the place sign of first row: plus, minus, plus, plus, minus, plus. Right? See your first element. Place sign is plus. Element sign is minus. Plus into minus, -2. 2 by 2 determinant. This -2 lies in first row, first column. Bitre 2, 5, -4, 0. Second element, place sign is negative. Element sign is also negative. Minus into minus become +3. Minus into minus become +3. This -3 lies in second row, first row, second column. 4, 5, 3, 0 are left. 4, 5, 3, 0. Last element, plus. Element sign is also plus. Plus into plus, +1 into. +1 into. This 1 lies in first row, third column. What are element left? 4, 2, 3, -4. 4, 2, 3, -4. This is equal to simplification 2 by 2 determinant evaluation. -2 into 2 into 0, product of principal 0, minus 5 into -4 -20, already minus is there, into -20. 3 into 4 into 0 0, minus 3 5s are 15, plus 1 into 4 into -4 -16, minus 3 2s are 6. Simplification, -2 into minus +20, 3 into -15, 0 -15 andre -15, plus 1 into -16, -6, -24. This is equal to -22s are 40, plus into minus 15 3s are 45, plus into minus 24. All are negative. ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How? ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? 4 5 9 0 9 ಐತಿದು. 2 4 6 6 4 10 -10 ಅಲ್ಲ ಸಾರಿ 6 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. -109. Okay. Consider another one example. Evaluate determinant 2, 3, -1, -2, -5, 0, 1, -3, 6. Right? Solution. Consider the given determinant 2, 3, -1, -2, -5, 0, 1, -3, 6. Place sign plus, minus, plus first row s plus 2 into 2 by 2 determinant, deleting first row first column element, minus 5 0 minus 3 6, minus 3 into deleting first row and first column element, first row and second column, minus 2 0 1 6, minus 2 0 1 6, and third element plus into minus, minus 1 into minus 1 lies in first row third column. What are element left? Minus 2, minus 5, 1, minus 3. Simplification, 2 into, see here, minus 5 into 6, minus 30, minus 3 into 0 is 0, right? Minus 3 into, minus 2 into 6, minus 12, minus 0 into 1, 0. Minus 1 into minus plus, 3 2s are 6. Minus 1 into minus 5, minus 5. Simplification, minus 30 minus 0 is minus 30. Minus 3 into minus 12 minus 0 is minus 12. Minus 1 into 6, minus into minus become plus 5. This is minus 60. 2 into minus 30 is minus 60. Minus into minus plus, 12 3s are 36. See here, minus 6 plus 5 is 11. Okay, see here, simplify this one. Minus 60 minus 11 minus 71 plus 36. 71 36 ತೆಗಿರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 71 minus 71 plus 36. So 40 ದಾಗ 31, sorry 11 ದಾಗ 6 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 5, carry 1, 7 ದಾಗ 4 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 35, minus 35, right? Minus 71 plus 36 is minus 35. Okay.